Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an Allosaurus. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Allosaurus, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a little line that's just going to go down, and then we're going to curve it back here. Next, we're going to make a little circle for the actual eye. And then I'm going to put a little dot in here for the pupil. Next, let's draw a couple little curved lines underneath the eye for some wrinkles. And then let's make a little curved line on each side of the eye. Then I'll make another little smaller one right around there, just for a little bit of details. Now, right above this eye, let's draw a line that comes up to a point, and then it's going to come down, kind of like one of their little horns on their head. I'm going to leave a little space, and I'll bring this line out to here, and then we're going to curve it down. I'll make another one here. We're going to curve up just a little bit, and then I'll bring it right into this line. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'm going to curve it all the way back to here. Now for the jaw, let's bring the line that's going to come down to here. We're going to curve this down and then bring it up for the chin. Then we're going to bring this line up, curve it around, and come back up here. Curve this line down, and put a couple more little lines in there. Now let's work on the teeth. Let's start at the top, and we're just going to make some small little pointed kind of curved teeth in here for our Allosaurus. And we'll do the same thing here, just to make some small kind of pointed little teeth in here. I'm going to make a little curved line for the nose with a little line right around here. And a little broken line up here. And then right here, I'm going to make a long kind of line. It's going to go over, it's going to go down, and then come up. But I left it open. That's like a big indentation in their head. Then I'll make a little line that's going to come out and then down here. Now, starting here, I'm going to curve this line up and then bring it down. Then I'm going to bring this line up here and then down. Next, I'm going to bring this line around and then down to here with a curve for like the tail. Then I'll make it nice and skinny down here, and it's going to get bigger and bigger as it comes back up. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a couple little curved lines that just go down and then come back for the neck. And then I'll bring this line down here with a curve. Next, we're going to continue this line in just a little bit to start the chest. And then we're going to make the arms. So we'll start by drawing a line that's going to curve back at an angle. Now I'm going to bring it out and then down here. I'll curve it back with like a sharp point, and I'll do another one here with a sharp point and then bring it in. Let's bring this line up, back, and right up to here to kind of finish off that arm. We just kind of redrew that same shape that we did up here. Then I'll add a couple little curves for some claws with a little extra line or two above it. Next, starting here by the elbow, I'm going to draw this line down and then over just a little bit for the stomach. And then let's start the leg. We're going to bring it really high up here, and I'm just going to curve this line down and then bring it back here to the tail. I want to bring it down here at an angle, and then I'll make the foot. We'll make a line that's going to come out to a sharp point and then back. I'll make another one that's going to come down to a sharp point and then bring it back. We're going to curve this line up to here. Bring this line out and then in. Do a little curve. And then we're going to bring this line all the way up here for the back of the leg. Now let's add another leg up here. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to angle it back. We're going to come down, and then curve it down for that sharp point. We'll make another little sharp point here, and then we'll bring it up. Bring this up to the tail, and then continue right past the tail. Bring this in, and then curve it up. And then right here at the end, let's just add a couple little lines for the claws. Now right here I'm going to add another arm. So I'm going to make another line that's going to come out and then down. We'll curve this line down a little bit farther and do a second one here. That way they're a little bit different looking. And then let's go ahead and add some curved lines for the claws. Now here's our basic shape of our Allosaurus. Now we want to come in here and add some different details. So I like to add some long broken lines right around the top of the mouth and the bottom of the mouth. We'd even do some of these little lines kind of by their spikes. And then sometimes where we have a little indentation, we can add a couple little extra lines. I like to make some long broken lines running right down the back, especially of dinosaurs like this. And we can even curve some of these lines up a little bit too. I'm going to curve some extra lines here. And a few more lines right over here. We'll make some little lines on here for like the knees. And we'll do a couple little broken lines right around here for some extra details. I'm going to make a couple little lines that curve up here for the stomach. And even some extra little lines down here for the ribs. I'm even going to put some of these lines on the arms and legs here, or on the arms too, just like how I did the legs. I'm going to even curve some of these lines on the tail as well. And then you can always come in here and add another little kind of curved line here, with even some extra little lines right around here for some details. It's really up to you on how much detail you want to put onto your dinosaur. They have a lot of detail, so it's really whatever you want to do. And there you go. There is your drawing of an Allosaurus. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.